And where would I like to see the ASF? I think I'd love to see us concentrate a little more on sort of introspection and seeing, well, where is it that we want to go, rather than necessarily just charging ahead. I think there is a tension, because we do want to be open and to bring in new projects, and projects that come to us and say, we want to join the incubator, we want to become an Apache project. It's very difficult to conceive of turning a project away and saying, you know what, actually we're busy, doing our own little thing here now, and could you come back to us in 6 months? I just don't see how we could say that. But at the same time, I think we do need to take the time and do that sort of introspection and see, well, how have we gotten to where we are, and where do we want to go from here? And I think when we figure out where we want to go, then how to get there is far easier. And I think we've gotten to the stage now where we are of interest to research communities. People are looking at us as an example, whether it's brand or community or even just code contributions and how to produce good quality software projects. And I think that kind of work is really useful for us. I think people sometimes have a sense of, well, these researchers are just looking at us like monkeys in a zoo, and what do we get out of that? But I think it's really helpful to have an outside perspective and to have somebody, looking at us and saying, well, actually, this is what you look like, and this is what I see as somebody who isn't involved in the community. It's often difficult to sort of see inside, well, what is it that we look like? If you don't have that mirror to say, okay, now I understand. You can sort of, but there's always something missing until you have somebody to say, here's what I see.